in this video I've got a fruity flip on one of the biggest rum cocktails out there, the Dark and Stormy, using one of my go-to brands, rum brands. This is Dead Man's Fingers. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. Right, fruity flip on a Dark and Stormy, and this is really lovely. I'm gonna make this in my kind of tiki glass. I'm gonna make it in a shaker, but I'm gonna serve it up in a tiki glass. First ingredient, 50ml double bubble of my Dead Man's Fingers. I love it because it's originally from Cornwall. I'm obviously Cornish, bit of Cornish soul, love it. So 50ml double bubble. Next ingredient you want is some freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm going 15ml of lime juice. There we go, 15ml. I just want, this works amazingly, trust me. I just want some honey syrup, and I've got some honey syrup there. I just want 10ml of honey syrup in here, so 10. There we go. Then the fruity flip on this. This is banging, absolutely love this. I don't know which side it's on. There it is, that side. I'm going for Pear. Pear and spiced rum and ginger beer works an absolute treat. If you're new to my videos, this is ODK, long life shelf stable purees. Goes out of date 23, is that? It's either 22 or 23. Once opened, keeps for a good sort of 3 months or so. Love it. You get this from Drink Stuff, and I just want 25ml of pear puree in there. Oh, lovely, jubbly. Right, I just need to ice that down, and now I'm going to ice my glass at the same time. Cubed ice in there. Now, as always, I haven't got a name for this drink yet. It's kind of like a pear, spiced and stormy, but that's a bit dull. So I want you guys help. Whatever name suggestions you come up with, stick it in the comments box below. That would be amazing. Then that'll go into my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. Big shout out to my new Patreons, Mark and Scott. Thank you for your love. And to all you other guys, other Mark, Ben, Lucy, Christopher. Thank you guys for your support going forward. Right, let's crack on. Crack on. Right, I'm going to shake this hard and fast. Shake for a good 12 seconds. When you're happy, that's nicely shaken down. Now, we just need the final element, which is your ginger beer, your favourite ginger beer. There's no right or wrong. I've played about with a lot of ginger beers over the years, and this is currently my favourite. It's kind of, this is Franklin's and Sons. It's kind of what I would call in-betweeny. So in between Old Jamaica ginger beer and Fever Tree. So Old Jamaica really sweet, Fever Tree really dry. That for me sits nicely in the middle. So I want, for that glass, I want about 75ml. And I'm going to pour it in the shaker so I don't have to stir it again at the end. So about 75ml. 25. Just got rid of all the pear. Lovely jubbly. 50. There we go. 75ml. Lovely ginger beer that. Right, just going to single strain over the top. Absolutely love this. Now, I've purposely left that a bit empty. Don't panic, because I'm going to do the garnish with this, because there was an ingredient kind of missed from most Dark and Stormies. So, just top this up. Yes, keep that in there. Just top that up with a little bit of crushed ice. Perfect there. Now the garnish. I'm going Angostura bitters. This is really cool effect. A lot of sort of rum bars will do this. I'm just going to do some dashes on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. And that'll just sit nicely on top there. And if you get any on your bar, wipe it off very quickly because it stains. There we go. Lovely. You could garnish that with a lime. I've got a spent sort of lime there that I used in a few videos ago. Could just pop that on top there as well. Perfect. Serve it up with a straw. And there we have it. If you want more rum cocktails, then check out the playlist that'll pop up on screen now. If you want to get more of my content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. What's it taste like? I've made this on events a few times. Oh my God, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Cheers.